In today's video, I'm going to teach you to change your name quickly in CapCut if you want your projects, collaborations, and shared links to show a cleaner or more recognizable name. This is a quick update you can make right inside the app. We'll keep it simple and make sure you understand what each screen does so you know you're in the right place. Start by opening your CapCut app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to the account you actually use for editing and sharing, because the name you change here is the one people will see when you collaborate or publish. Once you're in, head to the Me tab. You'll usually find it at the bottom of the screen, and it often looks like a profile icon. This is your account hub, where your personal settings and profile live. Next, tap View Profile. This page shows what others can see about you in CapCut, like your display picture, bio, and your current name. It's a great place to verify you're editing the right profile, especially if you switch accounts. From there, go to Edit Profile. This opens the editing view for your public information. You'll see several fields you can update, but the one we're focusing on is nickname. The nickname is your display name, the one that appears on your profile in collaborations and often alongside shared content. It's not your login or a permanent ID, so you can adjust it for clarity or branding. Tap the nickname field and type your new name. Keep it clear, readable, and appropriate for where you share your work. Shorter names are easier to recognize, and it's best to avoid adding personal details like emails or phone numbers. If special characters or emojis aren't supported, the app may prompt you to simplify it. Take a second to check for typos and how the name looks as a whole. When you're done, back out to your profile to see the change reflected. Your new nickname should appear at the top of your profile and will typically update across your projects and collaborations. It may take a moment to sync everywhere, especially if you're switching between devices. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, go to Me, tap View Profile, select Edit Profile, and update your nickname. It's a small tweak that can make your presence more consistent and professional across the app. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry. Labels can vary slightly by version, but the path is the same. Profile, edit, nickname, you're all set.